Yeah, look post making them one fans and tell me for doing because I don't really like tear down artists and them youth not really ready like that, you know. But don't tell me if they forget jack down, no. I could jack them but right, you know, right, you know. This Nadia, make it pretty brown and kiss your face. Crazy bum cat, crazy I'm still. With them long paragraph here, Nikki I write to you, she can't see you.
Me know about go look on WhatsApp, me send you one screen record of how the conversation start on Instagram.
Come tell Nicki Minaj start saying thank you. Come round here, sir. Right here.
See Pretty Dan I go live on TikTok again. From what he go down with she and Blam them and the whole saga, me not see she go live.
Make it that.
Mad them, blam them.
So all this loud clot time, the whole Blam them and Pretty Dan thing. Nicki Minaj were involved in the whole fucking thing. To solve, that matter of fact, the case already solved already. We need to put on the pressure more and more, and then we need to get more in contact and work with the police them locally. Yes, and because I God work this way to my Lord. Just because me take off my crown and
Gun in my purse, bitch, I came just to kill. Who wanna go first? I had 'em.
Viewers and subscribers, Peppa Kid is back again with the next epic one. Yes, today we're gonna talk about Eddie G. We're gonna talk about Roger Wild. We're gonna talk about Pretty Dan. We're gonna talk about Blam Them. SDP. We're gonna talk about Nicki Minaj. SDP. Yeah man, we are going down in this thing. Alright, some fans out there start say a bag of things same way. You know the thing come down. Yeah man. So we are get down in this thing and people. Yeah man, we not go waste no time. So yo, here we go. I get down in them a thing. SDP, yeah man. Viewers and subscribers, remember to like, subscribe and share. You know. Yeah man, tell a friend to tell a friend and tell a mother to tell a mother, tell a auntie to tell a auntie. Same way. Yeah, we are get down in this thing. Yeah man. Yo, Jano, Pretty Dan over here so say yo, from Blam them pull up her place, she not gonna live, she not do nothing. She can't make no money, she just stressed out and she just mash up herself. She live in a suitcase and them thing there. SDP, Jano, yo, Nicki Minaj over here so send Naya that a couple things and stay so boom. Yeah man, like that Nicki Minaj, I do a wonderful job. Naya woman, I tell the little girl say, tell Nicki Minaj thanks, SDP, for you give them where you get. I respect that Nicki Minaj, big up yourself, no fluff, SDP, yeah man, over here so again. Jano, Roger Wild and Eddie G at it. You see me? Big war, yo, would I love that, you know, that would I'm pushing the career far in the Eddie G. Roger Wild, yo, when you go worldwide with that thing, you know. Yo, no keep it up, yo, more than love to see it, same way, don't. Yeah, man, yo, the thing get wild over here, people. Yeah, man, be things that are, be things that say. Yo, Pretty Dan I say a bag of things. Yo, people now get down in this. Fans them I say a bag of things over here too. You see me? A bag of people I get bash, you see me? Yeah man, so Blam them at it again, you see P. Yeah man, so I want to know. Like, subscribe and share. So I say I not do no bag of chatting. Yeah man. I know chat boss, you know. Peppa Kid out again. Yo, I get down in this thing here now. Viewers and subscribe. The people them I say. Nicki Minaj, Blam them wingman. Nicki Minaj buy out everything for Blam them. Yo, and my business that still, you know. But here we go on. And people them attack or them attack. When you get down in the footage, them one on one, make it a few. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, you have a girl over here, so I say, yo, real school. How long Pretty Dan no go live and be things? You see me? She curious and one bag of thing. You see, pray. Yeah, man, not forget down in the you know, man. Yeah man, and just watch them clippage, I put one on one and make it a few. You see, pray. Yeah man, who know if you do maths, just do maths. You see, pray. Big up on yourself and the subscribers. Viewers. Yeah man, I wanna subscribe. Big up on yourself. Viewers and subscribers, I forgot to make you know say yo, the one prophecy out there still I say some bag of things, you know. You see, pray. The dog I say, watch you know. The happy say Naya case get solved and thing. You see pre. But yo, me rate this yo, me like the look. Yo, although Naya pass off, and a 7-day talk for Naya. Yo, me respect that. You see pre. Yo, big up the prophecy and way I say over here so same way. You see pre. Yeah man, I big up the people them same way, you see me? Yo, no stay safe here. Yes, viewers and subscribers, as well may I say now, we're going to start off with Pretty Dana say a bag of things. And when thing come down, Pretty Dana tell her how she traumatized the thing right now. She stressed out, she live in a suitcase. One bag of thing, yo, we jump down in our clippage them. Yo, people, yeah man, I love the support and I keep it up here. Yeah man, big up on the side, stay safe. Adi, me daddy.
This year, before the attack this year, look on the time and look on the date and all of that, bro. Look on it.
Hold on, give me time now, me I got you. So with them long paragraph here, Nikki I write to you. She can't see you.
Me know about go look on WhatsApp, me send you one screen record of how the conversation start on Instagram. Cause she come in on my inbox, you know. Go on for your WhatsApp and look for that. Cause me no need to tell no lie for them. Me a live out a bumper clock suitcase like that. Oh. No tell me how to feel about my blood life. Me no know money if you war with them, they put all day. You hear that? My YouTube check no go so far. How much in blood clot there's no me no work, bro.
Yeah.
You're not going away. Come tell Nicki Minaj tag saying thank you. Come round here, sir. Right here. Say thank you, Nicki Minaj. Yeah.
Thank you, Mickey Mouse.
Nicki Minaj. You like the gift?
Come, let her come. Let her.
Come. Say it for him. Say thank you, Nicki Minaj.
Thank you, Mickey Mouse.
Can baby face. Come here.
Andy, how long now have Pretty Dan gone live on here? But I see Pretty Dan go live on TikTok again. From what he go down with she and Blam them and the whole saga, I see she go live on here again. I see she post nothing. I see she post nothing on here or go live or nothing at all. It look like she pack up and done with TikTok. No, sir. So this thing it looks serious. This thing looks serious. You say that one is serious in a popcorn voice. No, man. Pretty Dan done with TikTok. It look like she done with TikTok. And maybe she'll come back soon. Why? This not look good at all. This looks serious.
The whole of them didn't know. All of them didn't know. One time you post up your right there, so it about no call back in name on the net. All because me say your post at fear. Because the whole of them have no blood WhatsApp group, and me never want to be a part of the whole. Me do my thing unorthodox by me bumbo clad self. And so now try add me now on the fake coming here one blood lad go. Paul, when he tap off, he tell it to he had a little fat one where they say my film gun in my waist. And he had a little short one there on the back. And three of them come. The other two never take off their mask. Only him alone take off his mask. Sometimes me recognize the whole vice, bro. When he say go blow out my camera and say, my camera is a motion camera. It get 10 seconds worth of motion.
So
on the blood clot TikTok shop, bro. I saw you go into your blood clot TikTok shop camera, bad man. Believe.
good. Make it this, make it that.
Madam, blam them.
So all this Lord clot time, the whole blam them and Pretty Dan thing. Nicki Minaj were involved in the whole fucking thing. So look like Nicki Minaj. You are the middleman between this. Like a you send blame them guy put it on the other, you tell blame them for the some quick. Come here, come cast some screen card and message them between you and put it on and thing. Some passive aggressive message. Like yeah, defend blame them thing. And a bag of thing and way. See because you know so licky. See because no licky. I tell you what happened to you, no licky and fried, no go there. You see, anytime Nicki Minaj album drop, somebody have the happy I got blood clot drop. Me nah go guess who no go in blood clot see who for blood I go pay for the album there. Cause man come tell you no. See Nicki Minaj look sacrifice out of the blood Jamaican community. And that's why she come jump up in another thing. I mean, do a video and say, I say, oh, Nicki Minaj a celebrity and be more quick. Sacrifice our go on in a post licky. No blood licky and frying. And make Nicki Minaj come and wrap up on a bumbuckler head. I'll blame them.
On the road, no people. And that is the humble thing them have. This used to go on. Crush Brandy said that. And then
fire chat, we're gonna some fire meanwhile. We're gonna some fire get salve already, you know.
support the life goal. Yes, man. Remember, Drury, ladies and gentlemen, sorry about cutting more time because I'm using my business phone. I should do the call upon another phone. Yes, and so every now and then it will chip out. As I'm saying, people, and TikTokers want to send Crush Bread when him up on the show to put on some lions and something, and yes, and because trust me, because Crush Bread hungry is why I'm not sending a thing yet, because on the law, if me forgot send you a thing now, it will look like so we but as soon as the case done, ask anybody, me make promises and tell people anything what me say that me do. You understand? Some people if they can go and support Team Crush Bread, you understand, because they need financial help people, because I want thing Mr. Man, Mr. Fear Man. So people, as I'm saying now, when I'm looking at the case, people, the lady from Walton Park Road, you know, she done confess already and say, Willie, not Willie, when we get cool fools, when they crush Bread, when they fool kid, yeah, cool kid. Yeah, she don't talk loud, and it up on the camera so she can't take it off. Say, the lady still cool kid said, no worry, she got him in her pocket. You understand? And if you look again, Leonard's sister and the other family member said the local youth, and that was from day one of the crime. Say, Leonard and the local youth there kill Naya. You understand? And remember, people, before me didn't even know nobody named Crush Bread, people. Before me didn't even know Leonard. Watch by the thing, people. I was the one who said, a youth like Naya can't get dead and alive. And they don't know about this. Nowhere in Jamaica, nowhere in the world can a big superstar or a big public figure get touched in a community and they don't know about it. If it was a car accident, you could have seen with it. They could have caused a car accident for a million people. Yes, they could have caused a car accident for Amo, but it would have hard to prove it because out a road it go on. And if it was another community people, you can't go a Matches Lane, left from Tivoli, and go kill a Dan down there. And they don't know about it. You can't left from Spanish Town and go down a Rima and go kill a man in a Rima, and they don't know about it. If that called community war, you violate the turf. And Crush Bread is a long time gangster. Am I telling a lie?
You're correct, bro. You're correct. 100%.
You can't be members of the jury. You cannot do that. That exists. Me not see no man who are brave enough. So now, unless LLU say walk over your film and give him $200,000 for make it look like say, people, You know, to be
We just give floor and a listener, you know, bro. Cause everything we attack, everybody we have sense, you know, say, you know, and chat no fool.
yes, man. Alright. And I dare any one of them to come over here. A matter of fact, any one of them come over here and can counteract what I'm saying and counteract it, make sense. Me give them $1 million. That is just $6,000 US. $1 million me give them. I was probably put on some more money because I see some people start giving some universe and them thing because Lady V teach what that thing last night, so I know the universe and them thing that me know. So as I'm saying now, people, once you see somebody like Naya get kill people, they don't have to know about that. Remember, you know, people, when Crush Brother real bad boy, real gangster, can't take away, you can't, even if him last, you can't violate him street creds, him earn him street creds, people. Street creds are one of the hardest things for earn people. Worse, people, a lot of youth with with Crush Brother street creds, people don't live for me so long. So, you have to be a genius to live so long, people. The youth with Crush Bread power people always dead from them 20 and them 30, the highest. Because street creds people, so you have to be a godless person. You understand? Because Crush Bread, how much you will know?
84 and still going, bro.
These people, and Jesus Christ dead in them 30-year-old people. And Jesus Christ street cred was large. So we have to give it to Crush Bread and people have investigated higher than investigated low. Nobody do have nothing bad to say about Crush Bread people. Not one somebody in the community. I remember people them time they Crush Bread brother named Biggs was incarcerated. And me myself put out the pressure upon Biggs. He wanted me to look at Biggs. I say, yo, go all about Biggs. And you know me already, me not talk on the ground people because sometimes I feel like me are the baddest man in the whole entire Caribbean people when they come out for the God work. God pick up perfect angel people. So people, don't make them shed down the eye with past that them said Crush Bread did. Because some of them think that Crush Bread never do people. Some of them did do it, some of them never do it people. You understand? So that Crush Bread pass is not what we have on the court trial people. Naya gang killing, 3T killing. I would draw Crush Bread brother kill the night of people. Because at the end of the day, it's an innocent youth that them kill again to people. And people, when you say, I tell you enough times a friend better than family, you know. I tell you now, there is motive people. Motive in more ways than one people. And not only motive people. You see when somebody provoke you to rot people, remember you know, Naya provoked Leonard to rot people. And if Leonard can come tell me say lie, me tell me give 10 million because him have a look money like me. Me give him 20 million Jamaican dollar. If him can come tell me say Naya never provoke him to rot people. You understand? Because when I look up cute face boy, name start to call say fuck your girl. And also when him and the girl start to hold toe to toe. People, even if he's a coward, you're gonna feel away because pussy have power. Pussy are the ugly thing make man go war. Pussy are the ugly thing make man sell him car. Pum pum are the ugly thing make man jump off a building, make man mad. Trust me people, because pussy almost a mad already. Me never be a mother was dead by cancer people. And people, I hear that me told them that be a mother dead people. I care me gonna live, you know. So, me tell you, so what's when you have a blood clot tight hole, pretty face, steel throat girl, because I don't get one of them girl in people, so I do what I get one before the year are done or before the month are done. Steel throat girl. So when I get a steel throat girl, my lad, Crush Bread, I get one of that girl yet? You ever get one of that girl yet?
No.
Hey boy, my lad, yeah. I don't know, but if we get one before, you're going to tell how it feel.
Yeah.
So I look
I go look one for your emperor.
and around with me now. Maybe we'll be able to feel if you know you're probably 6 of it, science, you know. So people, put
But the joke away out I think really a serious throat girl for real people, but the different because a man have only my wife. And I crush with one burner. Yes, I retire now. So anyway, people, when you look on the rat people tonight, remember, you know, Leonard himself, people, and we can play about the voice note, and the voice note is out there for the public. Him said, oh, him forget the youth them from around Crush Brother. Him never bad them up. Him use likes, him use food, him use money, him use barrel. Remember, you know, him get out Crush Bread by violence. Police, all kind of things get out Crush Bread. But him never control the youth them. Because remember, you know, people, to run a community, you could have run out the Dan, but if you don't capture the youth them people, you cannot be the Dan. The real Dan, you have to capture the youth them first. Crush Bread have the youth them people, and youth them, Crush Bread have the youth them under respect. But Leonard now come take the youth them now people underneath likes. Crush Bread now have the money like Leonard, because Leonard have further than him have him company, some thing. Crush Bread have to get money under the gangster way. Probably one or two look extortion, probably some hustling, probably every now and then I look one robbery down a country, but Crush Bread are doing thing them in the community people. So it's a man that who are doing thing out of the community and come back in the community people. So the youth them more respect him, and the old people them more respect him. He was like a Robin Hood people. Crush Bread was like a Robin Hood. Him go rob a road people and coming back and share it. It might not too much enough people, but him share it. That is Crush Bread people are modern day Robin Hood, you call him. Not a man that terrorize the community. But Leonard now make the power get to him head and start terrorize the community. Not robbing the community of people. Ego. Ego is one of the wicked people. Let me tell you something. You swear there's a man who never have certain powers and then they get the people. You feel like you're the almighty God, you will kick over, kill people if a man even look for you too tough. A man talk to you too tough, you kill a man. And also when you kill the first one, and you say nothing come out and they kill the second one, it become a habit, people. It become a habit. And that was the mistake what Leonard made people. So people, come. So if now, yes. So if Leonard now, ladies and gentlemen, can come on the program and tell me say it's a lie me I tell, make him come. If Fool Kid can come over here now and tell me say a lie me I tell him come. If Bashi if Bashi every time I make me say job, if Bashi now can come over here people and said it's a lie I'm telling them to come, and if them can prove people. I mean, I use a Obi another thing, because I use Obi I use to make people support Crush Bread. People don't work one Obi from coming in a court case, I swear to God. I last set alone, me almost work a Obi. And I miss V, Officer LA don't do it when a man put a hat pump over my crowd. Was very disrespectful, I never like it. You understand? But anyway, people, members of the jury. Crush Bread now as the modern day Robin Hood. Take from the rich and give to the poor. That was Crush Bread style. Yes, of course. If a boy diss him, he will back on a boy, yes. You understand? Now, people, now, the look of youth, you know, remember, the look of youth who still outside of Naya, all of somebody called me.
Big up Team Loyalty. 777.
Alright. Can you hear me now, members of the jury? Now, people, the look of you that now who still upset at Naya. Remember, you know, it was him tell the whole world, say, I did my youth, the Crush Bread uncle, kill Naya. Remember, you know, and the reason why me tell my youth, you know, come out for them case, come here, I say, I'm going to do the case, I'm going to tell them, say, I the right thing I do. That, why him have the cookie something as him thing there? Why him again?
Friday.
Alright, I think I'm going to get the whole of the members of the jury. Yardy. I rate him since I'm not going to call him Friday yet. Me go say if the week can pass, I am do him for though. Because let me tell you, sometimes when you tease a man, you know, it will make him want come out for the case, you know. So sometimes we have to know about human psychology. He will want done with the case, but it's true. Everybody at this him will stay on the case without money now. So we have to know what time on the do certain case. Now, members of the jury, see it now. You watch it for once. You should have stepped with the foot, left foot, and you step with the right foot, and you fuck up the whole case. Police put all man with Breland did so, and he still was case in Jamaica. I don't know what them think them man so. The internet and fuck up all this blood clot. Alright, people. So, members of the jury, that was way dumb. In the case, people, before we know nothing about crush bread, before we know nothing about anything, Leonard name was the first name that the youth himself called that Mr. Mandela's son. You understand? And I was trying to reach out, but when the night when we got Clarendon, when we get the envelope, I go check, me not decide to call him. One of the dan them and them say, yo, we collect the money, but we not go kill him. I come on the TV and me tell them, say, my boy, watch out for yourself. Them want to kill your son, but them going to kill you first. So you see, true because we open up the people them eye, and that make him now dead. So him forgive crush bread thanks, for make him still in a Pantaleon or anywhere where him there right now. Because, and him still not safe. Because if push come to shove, and the police hold on for Leonard, him have to go take care of himself and go to Small Island, him and him son. Because they will kill him son, because him son have to come and court now. And I like this Facebook court and the social media court, people who are there right now. Him have to go to real court now. So him have to go take care of himself before time. If we go dead, so him could have call up Crush Bread name and make them pay him for doing anything I want to do. And we save him. Whole heap of people who save from the dead. So that's why Mr. Crush Bread is a hero, ladies and gentlemen, a legend, young legend in him time. Whole heap of cars, people, this was supposed to be, you see, war broke out and nobody remember about Naya. And I pay people a job until a man say, yo, and Naya friend them kill, come kill man. And then man go over there and go shoot back Naya friend them. And I'll bob out dead already before the funeral people. This was supposed to be a domino effect. Anybody who have any gangster thing in them, or anybody who know a movie star, know what was going to go on. People, so give the whole a round of applause for save a lot of people's life. Give Crush Bread a round of applause to save and myself also to people. And people have spent over $2.8 million Jamaican already. Crush Bread can't tell you, I'm there on the road with me. And if so much, Crush Bread, watch people make money on the way. Everybody get money, don't it?
Everybody know your thing, family.
Yes.
You know you go.
As my job on a spot people, even when I go for Sharika, I 80,000 I'm spending on the sun. And plus one of the guys say, give me some pump. Plus one of the guys say, she rate me. I'm going to give her a piece of money, people. You understand? So, what me I say now? People, a whole heap of money we spend, people, just to find out the truth, because money no value over people's life. So we have to spend it because the Almighty God make it. So people, So therefore just done with the crash fed it, and that they mash up the case now, people, and they make me worse, I get mad. Because every time me hear fool kid, a crash fed, people, look at the way the case played, even Steve Wonder can't see it. Even Ray Charles can wake up out of him grave and take off my glass and see clear. Every street, every lane, every arrow, every boat, every train, every car point to Leonard, people. But different from Leonard, who want to know where Sharika. I mean, I know she that you be a she have steel throat. Who I know she never come aboard if I'm concerned about she and look at me. Because when you see a man breed a girl, you know, and then say, I don't feel him pitney, and him never there fuck the girl. Let me say, if the girl alive don't follow nothing now. So she can't do that any time because she's a key witness, she's a key evidence. People, we are concerned about this little girl, people. Get the tight throat out of the steel throat thing out of the way, because no one phone say, oh, you the girl have steel throat, you look at the girl, that's why you want to find her. No, people, long time before me, so she have steel throat, me want to find her. I like me tell Mr. Crushfred.
Yo, bro.
Yes, people, long before, people, if it wasn't for William God, who would know so the girl have steel throat, William God come tell me. Some people, but different from that is a beautiful looking young girl, breast up stiff, deep navel, the girl natural, the type of woman who different from the steel throat, where man that jealous over, the girl cute. The girl look like Lady V, but I know who should have them attack. A Lady V like taller ass flat, like Lady V like them, you know. Oh boy, I don't know. Why are we people? Look on the case, people. Now, if the gentleman said, and people want to listen to the sincerity in the voice again, want to listen yardy to people, the sincerity of the thing of people. And remember, you know, yardy even force it and say, them say. When somebody said them say, you know, that means that the people have talking serious. The people have talk like they never if and buff. The people that them say are staying. And the virgin there, kill Naya people, listen again. You should have stepped with the foot, left foot, and you step with the right foot, and you fuck up the whole case. Police put all man with Breland did so, and he still was case in Jamaica. I don't know them thing the man so. The internet and fuck up all this. So there's a no people, I tell fool kid, I tell you say, Leonard, I got bust the case, no matter what they want with, can have money. Police, you confess, I don't know, you know. Me tell you that you tell you say everybody got prison, you know. So, him say police, one man red-handed, and man still bust case. And remember people, Leonard did go in people at the time, but the police never have enough evidence, and probably because Leonard have some police link, them legal back Leonard people. But I dare Leonard to come and go in back again. Because I'm coming for come clear me. I dare him. So listen people, them don't tell I already say man going to jail and come out back. Listen. You should have stepped with the foot, left foot, and you step with the right foot, and you fuck up the whole case. Police put all man with Breland did so, and he still was case in Jamaica. I don't know them. Your people, and the mayor say no. A fool kid tell us say police hold Leonard in a jail, because Leonard is going and him still bust the case people. Listen. The internet help fuck up all this blood now people, listen when you look a pretty face girl that asks Yardy, you know. Listen to the passion in a Yardy voice. People, when you hear a thing, listen for the passion in the voice. The passion, because as a man was a warrior man, and with the human psychology, and I'm also a Freemason people, we judge people by them handshake. If somebody shake your hand and them shake it light, that means that them not with you. If somebody give you a look idiot grin when time you're a big good joke people, that means that them not with you. When you're a man put in passion and advice people, that means a serious thing. So listen to your advice. Listen to the whole thing again. You should have stepped with the foot, left foot, and you step with the right foot, and you fuck up the whole case. Police put all man with Breland did so, and he still was case in Jamaica. I don't know them thing the man so. The internet help fuck up all this blood clot. You know, people, we're feeling. We're feeling now, people. We're feeling. Yes, talk about my life, so the accuser, what them call Leonard, the uncle them on the live. Hold on, the people. This was in the early stages. What did Yardi say, people? Miss V, what did Yardi say? The what?
It's your Leonard.
No, not that man. What if said the accused?
Oh,
What
the
it said?
Yeah, the accused.
Listen that key word, people, the accused. What they call Leonard. Listen again, people. I want to put on now. So, all when you talk, and this one keep on playing. Yardi himself wish him never did do that video. But them need to pay Yardi money, because Yardi go hard for them. So, in Yardi earn the money, but listen again, people. Oh yes, it talk about my life, so the accuser, what them call Leonard, the accuser, uncle them on the live and him auntie, and him auntie, and them on the live as well for my life tonight. Them said the youth that was down next to Naya, if find out, this is what them say, no. Okay, alright. You see, people, this is what them say, no. Listen, this is what them say, no. That means a Yardi have it to him heart, say I saw it go. So Yardi make sure say this is what them say now. Fool kid that come talk about allege. I'll teach you what I think called allege, people. Third party cannot say allege. The first party is the one who have to say, oh, me can't go around that. So when you hear a fool kid that talk about allege, how would I school him go if a fool school him go? Why do we people? Listen again from top. So forget about the alleged part. A third party in any law of court cannot say allege. So, fool kid a try a thing, you understand, but you make it later a deeper problem. Oh yes, it talk about my life, so the accuser, what them call Leonard, the accuser my name is step on the live and him auntie. No, him sister, they step on the live as well for my life tonight. See people, remember you know. This is not, this is a family, this is family counseling of people. After this show, after these people, and them catch Leonard, we have to bring the whole of Cushman and them family, them got family and counsel people, go counsel family people. This bigger than, you understand, this is family counseling people. So, oh Leonard, anyway, listen to me. That was down next to Naya, if find out, is what them say, no? Okay, alright. Good argument, them say. See it, people, and you can see that a cover up is going on. Because remember, you know, fool kid should left the host, like I say, Cushman left me for talk all of more talk. But I'm gonna be ready with my drive.
Yeah, man. My drive, man, free, man.
Naya friend that was next to Naya, find out Spain and Leonard. So them was the one that from analyze Naya and that. So that's what the eyewitness, them said the eyewitness said. So the youth that was sitting down next to Naya, them said him said, Leonard and Spain analyze Naya. Alright, so what are respect cases of people. So let's walk with the people. Go to the walk with me to the case, you know. I don't want to just in the courthouse and eat chingum and like you know, jump asleep in the courthouse now. Let's walk with me in the case. Lady V, you're sleeping or you're awake, man, because I don't know. Your eye up in the court case or you eat bubblegum. See people, Lady V, you're sleeping in the court case, people.
Me not sleep, Ellie, me not sleep.
Alright, because sometimes some people come in the courthouse and jump asleep, they're not fucking in the courthouse today. Why people see everything? Nothing enough for me, so no. So if the judge and attack fucker, but you can't tell me because I'm trial with them now.
Yeah, with you, man. Fire chat, we're gonna some fire.
Please, members of the jury, stop calling me on the phone call. Or listen to the court case call. People out of the court house keep on calling me to tell me things. I don't want nobody tell me nothing now. I've done my so people, please and thanks, cause I them call me now tell me say me feel people. Just me not bust the brown in full up until now. None of them know when the brown fill up. That's why I say cool kid, fool kid, afraid for call on the show. Anytime the brown in fill up, boss, I'll him gonna prison too. Cause he's a man of interest now. So anyway, people, as I'm saying, on a fundamental level now, let's walk through this case now, people. Now, Naya and the fifth, people, and the fifth. People said to the world, people, Leonard no sick. Heel throat girl, what is very rare. As a full-grown man now, people, and you hear a man tell your baby mother, you hear a next man tell your baby mother to suck her mother. She not act. You not act like him. I also you know say that boy either fuck your baby mother or almost go fuck your baby mother. People, dear so now, people, as a man this now. Crush Red, as a man this now, not as a daddy now. As a man, this is Mr. Cushred. Oh, you are going to feel fear a little boy, where you a big man for. And tell your baby mother, your wife, for go suck our mother. You don't act like him. How you don't feel?
As a man from the ground, you're going to feel holy for way, bro. That can't cause life to really live.
Holy for way?
Not.
And as a look boy, where you know say you have power over. What you don't do? Take out the children out of the way.
Not say you hurt him all over a woman alone, you know, bro. But how you might disrespect you alone, you know. Take the woman.
Yes.
My disrespect you said this and I said that. Woman not feel night alone. And you are a man on the ground. We now take no this.
As a big man.
Yeah, you now take no this, bro.
Some people, but me not take the woman out of the way.
Yeah, woman.
Because of man.
I remember, you know. It's a big this because the woman live in a alien, Leonard live in a alien, Naya live in a alien, so Naya reliable to see her when she go shop or go in and look away.
Alright. So now
comfortable.
You can't comfortable. Can't sleep good at night. Also when they know see you have to look at that girl's face. So you said that girl they know what come remember you know, a woman of a man as a protector, you know, a woman of a man as a Eiffel Tower, you know. So when time a boy disrespect you and then look your woman and then you have to see that look back. You as a big man who have power, who have money, who have gun. After you look back in your woman face at night time and she look, you can't talk to your woman now. Your woman probably kick you and say, hey boy, I know this yo. And me welcome this and look boy, I know this yo. People learn the thing, people. Man will kill people for that. I remember say Leonard is a real gunman. A real Dan. Man for the past gunman stage. Gunman are the one with the gun. The Dan them are the one who give orders. Right on my right, Cushred?
True.
So a Dan is bigger than a gunman, people. Don't mistake it. Dan is bigger than gunman.
Yeah, man, gunman are not without the Dan, bro. Away Dan say charge you have a gun and you can't boss it.
Because the Dan said that you can't boss it. And the Dan have no gun when them attack to people. The Dan have power. So power people is bigger than money and power people is bigger than gun. Power earn money. Power make you can buy guns. Power make you can buy house. Power make you can buy anything where you want people. Power. So a man got defend him power than him gun people. A man got defend him woman and remember people. When they look at juvenile, they look at young boy them. When they run you. Big up yourself mental. When they look at you, they are around your people. See, Naya, a body up on the telephone suck your mama. And at them you that you get orders on the back so that you have them gun and Naya don't have a gun. And Naya tell you that and Naya say him not take a talk from the done. Uncle father. Uncle father. But like the roses and thing, last time they teach what to do, the roses thing about but I call them. So anyway, big up Galaxy.
Naya said not even him father. The song said not even him father.
Right, it's to the people. The man said him not take the talk for not done nor him father. Because it was him father who would tell himself to stand down. And Naya said me a big man, any girl I'm want fuck and this up my cocky there. You pass boy stage. Me not take the talk from my dad nor my father. That's for sure said Naya a prime father. Him father got some fucker people. I don't know him father go out and I never investigate so far. I don't know so right that him father is doing a cover up people. It is evident. And unlike him hide nothing people, his father is covering up for Leonard. The man now hide the cover up. So this is corruption to the highest people. When I look at boy people said not even father but take talk from people. That for sure said corruption is backing up on them people. Yes, so his empire. What does Leonard got a secret? For their father, what kind of secret? What kind of secret you have? That's Naya with a father people. Sell him out people. Naya with a father people. Baba sell out people. Naya was lonely people. And probably Sharika was the hungry one because even Naya wanna baby mother give a pump on him. Ladies and gentlemen, and we have the evidence for that, but we now want to bring it to the court right now. Yes, and some people, what kind of secret? And Baba people said he never know. Listen. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, and that was after Crushbread tell Naya said don't trust nobody, and Naya go live to see say Crushbread word come to pass, ladies and gentlemen. I want you for the courthouse, who the see where we go? I want you for the see where we go. Crushbread tell Naya said look at you, listen me, don't trust nobody. So if it wasn't for Crushbread people, Naya would have dead already. It was Crushbread who blood, sorry about people because it's courthouse speed and people. It was His Excellency Crushbread, ladies and gentlemen, that probably make because they want to kill Naya a long time. Because they plan for rob Naya people. They plan for rob Naya $1 million, but them use Crushbread people. Because at the time, until today, until him dead, Naya still never have no respect for Leonard people. Even death, Naya have respect for Crushbread people. And him even have a great amount of money, great amount of respect for Crushbread people. Even for the last days people. Naya himself people was probably praying to Crushbread to come back in that place people. Because first thing people, the whole of the stinger them, and in case you people are overseas who don't know what name stinger, stinger is what you call the shutter, the gunman them, the soldier them. The whole of the stinger them people was around Naya, and Naya was feeding them now people, and them the road Naya, not only bad man thing, but them the road Naya in the last generated people. You see how the stinger them the road Crushbread generated people. But Leonard come with money and buy them. But him couldn't buy the stinger them now people because you were going now. Naya is feeding the stinger them lobster. even Crush Bread, they give them lobster people. And they be loyal to Crush Bread. So imagine, Crush Bread, was you giving them lobster?
No, sir. Most of you are like saying goodbye one.
Mr. Crush Bread. Are you there?
Yeah, man, you not hear me? You not hear me?
Yeah, me, I hear you like something wrong with your phone, man.
Lobster.
Internet bouncing and bouncing out. Imagine, you know.
Yo, Mr. Crush Bread, was you giving this thing of them lobster when you was there?
No, sir. Like look chicken back and chicken more while now and then, you know.
Real gangster thing.
Yeah, chicken back and that we cook at daytime and chicken more while.
So it got people, cause when me did a real man, me did a jungle at Timberley people. I be a chicken back cook people. And just chicken back taste like Axel, cause the body chef them do that.
Me not have lobster for them. Me couldn't find the lobster for give them, boy. But then the loyal with the chicken and the chicken back, you know, what go on?
Yes. So Leonard come now, people and start to steam fish. Steam fish him start the people and some oxtail. But when little bean and Naya come now, people, Naya go oxtail, Naya go shrimps. And the man hungry do it secretly. When Naya eat the shrimps and the oxtail in the pan live and do it. So now, stay in them and all that look at you, them eat shrimps and they eat lobster and oxtail now. And Naya give them him care for drive people while Leonard not doing. Leonard more make Sharika look like a shade done, but Naya make every look at you feel like never done. Me see that video when Naya even take a madman people and put him in a new clothes. That was the kind of energy that Naya have. So Leonard, ladies and gentlemen, couldn't match up to that. And remember people.
Yeah, hear me? Me not cut you. You see that some of the way I say a madman and Naya fix him up. A Bobo brother that they are Naya best cousin. I eat Bobo that Naya say.
Well, no man, Mr. Crush, when I'm getting to the air, man, me tell you, I don't want nobody make you feel like you are feed me with information.
We just want you to understand.
Some people, as I said, yes, thank you. Point taken, Mr. Crushman, Your Excellency. No, people. I hope the one Lady Vina sleeping at courthouse now.
No, man, me not see. LA, me the live same way.
Lady V, wake up.
I'm here.
Oh, cause I hope you not sleep that good. Cause you bleach late last night, so I hope you not sleep. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, big up Lady V. So let's take it down a little bit further, people, or let's say, let's regurgitate back into the case, people. Regurgitate back into the case. Now, we're going to show the people, because you have to paint the picture, people. This is, you can call the Maroon Emperor now, you can call His Excellency the Michelangelo of solving crime. I am the Michelangelo of solving crime. Trust me, and Crush Bread is the modern day Robin Hood people who rob from the rich and give to the poor people, and he's also a modern day hero. Also Lady V and everybody who is on the case. 100 of life for the safe. Gang war, what a broke out and knows that too. The covering up of Naya case, and Naya case will really start the whole thing. Boom, boom, girl clown, girl mascot. Start the whole war, people. And Leonard have gone foreign and good. Disappearing of the sun with Sharika. Because him not left Sharika. Him not left Sharika. Till dead. Before him left Sharika, he probably kill her and kill the baby people. That's why I'm kind of afraid about them until today. So ladies and gentlemen, let's go again. Let's walk and talk again. So ladies and gentlemen, now, Leonard now, ladies and gentlemen, took the youth them from the sting of them, the shot of them, if you want to call them, the bad boys them. Because one of my probably that further watch the show them, bad boys, what you gotta do? What you gotta do when police come for you? So the further they might understand when we say bad boys, but we Jamaican man, we say stinger, we say shatter. Booyaka. So they probably understand the language, but the bad boys them, ladies and gentlemen, members of the jury who is at foreign, who doesn't know what stinger mean, or who doesn't know what Booyaka mean, we mean the bad boys. Now, Crush Bread did have the bad boys them eat chicken mac and chicken and loyalty, real loyalty. Leonard came in people and grudge him. for that. Because Leonard said him are the big uncle and him have the money. So, and then to add insult to injury, Crushbird people have more powers for the land than Leonard. So we're going to show us a land was also in it to people. Land. Mr. Family killed family enough time for land people, and this is one of the case. Because remember, you could have people build a billion house upon the land, and the man who owned the land owned the house people. So now you see why that is also motive for trying to frame Crushbird people. Because the last time I checked people, Crushbird have more talk for the land than Leonard. Wrong am I right, Mr. Crushbird?
Correct, bro.
So, if a man build a gas station upon the land, if a man build a bank upon the land, how do you think you have to do a kickback, right, Mr. Crushbird? That's why, ladies and gentlemen, when you hear Crushbird say, if him dead, he will get the house. He was right. Because if you build a house for land people, nobody can get it. Not even people can get it. They can get the furniture. And remember people, them can't get the lamp, them can't get the car, but they cannot get the house. Wrong am I right, members of the jury? Members of the jury, am I wrong, am I right? So that is motive again for why they want to blame Crushbird. Can somebody call D-Dan over here? I'm not saying D-Dan today, because when them man come up here, Universe Casino. Because we call him Universal Boss. The man full of Universe. And I Louis him name too, So I'm a cousin. So Louis Sabat. So ladies and gentlemen, let us walk. I'm ready for my proceed people. I don't know why I'm come off. I don't know why I'm come off. I don't know why I'm paint the picture perfectly.
We're ready.
All right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us walk again. So, make us show now why there is an ulterior motive to get rid of Crushbird. So, when they hear the message say, what, deport Crushbird, they don't want Crushbird get deport, because if Crushbird come to Jamaica, Crushbird come and film land. Him no want Leonard house, he want him land. And for him get him land, he must get the house. Ask anybody who work at tax office or work at housing trust or property department in case if you don't know me and believe it's lie. So they don't want Crushbird come to Jamaica back. They would have more want Crushbird coming out body back. And that's why now people, they also want to get out the immediate family to Crushbird. So these people distance themselves as family from Crushbird now, because the pool and Sharika need to swim in our pool, and we can't afford for Sharika to lose a pool to Crushbird now, ladies and gentlemen, because Crushbird probably get Sharika, because Sharika love the pool. The pool, ladies and gentlemen, the big swimming pool, fuck the house, but sorry my language, back off of the house. Sharika need her pool to swim in. Sharika is like a mermaid. She love the beach, she love the sea, she love the pool. So Leonard have it from Sharika cool at the pool. Him good, ladies and gentlemen, so him can't afford for Crushbird to get the house. I want it for the inner side and overside what I'm saying. Him can't afford for Sharika to lose the pool, ladies and gentlemen. And then Naya, ladies and gentlemen, come and swim in a Sharika pool, and I don't mean the pool over him yard. I don't know which pool they talk. So Naya know people bossy. Sharika love off Naya now, ladies and gentlemen. So, and then Naya go put out song. People, Lady V. Alright, I'm on the court ticket, so you can't see my song. I will play the song later in the futuristical courthouse people. So, Naya go put out the song now, ladies and gentlemen. And remember, fear than the whole of the youth, them people. Everybody knows Naya and Sharika and things now. Because he even beat up Sharika until I left Naya. The way out deep people, the man called Evo Naya father, until if you talk to Naya for left him woman. Who not gonna say, where do I get these arguments from? Well, where do I get these arguments from? Tell him liar, name Mr. Mr. Cool Kid, can I listen to the program? Can I see him fake page over here? I know him fake page. Yes. So tell Mr. Cool Kid to come over here now and come prove some life.